Fortune is one of the multi-talented students in Shiny Gloves Club. We visited his home to see some of the things he has made. His father told us that the TV on the wall got spoiled and it was fixed by Fortune. Fortune displays some of the things he has made. He made an MP3 player, he locally constructed a home theater system. He made a robotic hand and foot to make life easy for the handicaps. He took us to a nearby workshop where he normally goes to make his inventions.
Right now I'm about to make a robotic leg. This is the screw, these are the sticks to hold the feet and the legs. So
he is an introvert and does not really have friends. He has a quiet spot where he goes to get inspiration. Fortune is also a drummer in his church. He has a drum set at home that he rehearses with.